Oh my gosh, Mommy.
Bella, want to pet an alligator?
Oh my gosh, Mommy. I'm absolutely in heaven right now. Thank you. Oh, they're getting in a fight.
Alligator. Let's go touch the alligator. You want to go touch it real quick?
Yes, I want to get these on tape, Mom. It's my first time ever seeing an actual one like this. They're beautiful.